QNet do every week? They take the pie and they take their profits and they share it with you. They simply share it with you. All right? They share their profits with you and many more people down your network who has contributed to the sale and purchase of any goods and services of QNet. Again, which can be done anywhere in the world. Now think of this logic. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I basically have a brother in London. I pick up the phone, I call my brother in London, all right, and my brother says, let me log on to www.qnet.net. It's just a web address. He logs on, he loves the Bernard H. Meyer watch, Swiss made. He buys it. That's it. In exactly a few seconds, as a Malaysian, I have built a business overseas in London. Now my cousin or my brother in London tomorrow invites 20 friends and talks about the QNet business, and boom, sitting in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, right, through this amazing platform of network marketing, I have become an international businessman or businesswoman, all right, whoever you are out there. All right, now that's the concept of network marketing. That's the concept of word of mouth. Now QNet today, proudly, all right, is reaching every corner of the world. It is starting to be recognized after 10 years as one of the leading companies in a $100 billion industry. Now sitting there right now in your living room, whichever part of the world, listening to this very good looking Malaysian speak to you, all right, I simply want you to face the reality. You have a decision to make watching this video. First decision, do you need to do this? Let me answer that for you. I think the answer is yes. Because like me in 1998, we are all in a situation we have bills to pay. We know our jobs are not secure, right? You have kids and things for children are not cheap anymore, right? You have dreams. You want to go places. You want to do things. You want to buy things. Now QNet is an amazing, simple, home-based business which can start as a secondary income, all right, as your network grows from 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. But eventually, like me and many thousands of people in the QNet business who have become full-time professional networkers, entrepreneurs, who have achieved this concept called financial freedom. Now that's a decision you have to make. So sitting right there right now, please understand that you have to make a decision, or you will make a decision after watching this video, all right, of your journey with QNet, one of the most amazing network marketing companies. Remember, the company does everything: infrastructure, IT, web hosting, purchasing, delivery, warehousing, packaging, brochures, everything. And what do you and I do? Pick up the phone, make a call. Hi, I've got a great opportunity. Can we meet for coffee? Can I come over? Could you come to this hotel for a hotel meeting? Bottom line, if somebody asks me, how would you summarize your job as a professional networker? Something I'm damn good at since I was 1 year old. Talk to people, talk to people, talk to people. So QNet, a decision you have to make sitting there right now. So all I can say, welcome to a brand new journey. Welcome to one of the oldest, most powerful industries in the world, and welcome to one of the most amazing corporations in the world today. Welcome to QNet. Now for the next part of this video, I'm going to be introducing you simply to the V. Now sitting there, please understand that these two are different organizations which have been working in partnership for over 10 years. Now the concept of the V is a very simple concept. All right? In network marketing, the person who referred you or showed you the opportunity and brought you into the company is basically termed as your upline. Now, the word upline, get used to it. You're going to be hearing it and using it a lot over the next few years as a networker. Now, in our organization, all right, there are millions of networkers in our organization situated all over the world. But on top of that organization, 001, or the highest level of an upline, is not one person. It's an organization called the V. It's a partnership which today consists of 10 partners. Now, these 10 partners are basically some of the most greatest networkers you will ever have the opportunity of meeting anywhere in the world. Now, together, I think they have close to 200 years of network marketing experience in practically every continent on our planet Earth. Now, they have come together to create a concept which I think is extremely unique in the industry of network marketing, to create a platform where different people from different parts of the organization can basically work together and train these millions of people. Now, somebody asked me, what does the V do? Simply put, the V trains you, educates you, all right, inspires you, motivates you, gives you enough information and guides you every step of the way in QNet until you reach the point where you achieve financial freedom. Now, the V has one concept called the partnership, which consists of 10 V partners, associate V partners, some of our biggest leaders around the world, V Council members, the next level of leadership, all right, we have in the world, and a new category of leaders we call the V Elite Leaders. Now, this group of people, all right, basically travel the world, all right, open up new markets, develop new countries, all right, conduct all kinds of trainings for basically making you a more professional, effective networker. Now, the V has a corporate body, which I manage as the managing director. All right, we have close to 100 employees all over the world with 5 offices. Now, the corporate team, which is an amazing group of people who dedicate every day of their life to make sure that you have enough tools, knowledge to go out there and build an effective organization. Now, somebody once asked me, why the V? All right, it is an alphabet. Don't get confused. It's simply the V. All right, now, but it's not because the alphabet looks good. All right, it's simply based on a very, very unique philosophy from Mother Nature. Now, the name the V was chosen after the founders of our company, Dato' Vijay, Ishwaran and Joseph Bismarck, basically took it from Mother Nature based on the philosophy of geese flying south in a V formation. Now, when you look at the geese flying south, you think beautiful birds, but there's actually a massive philosophy of physics behind it, that when they fly in a V formation, all right, they fly 70% more efficiently, all right, because the first bird, when it flaps its wings, creates an uplift of air for the birds behind it, so they have reduced energy required to fly. And the most amazing thing, along their journey, they make a lot of noise, all right, and people think they're just excited. No, it's a form of motivation for the other geese, all right, in the flight formation of the V to be motivated to continue flying, because they fly thousands of miles to reach warmer ground. And one thing which really mesmerized me when I joined this organization in 1998 is that if one goose gets hurt and comes down to the ground, 2 other geese will fly down, either nurse it back to health or wait for it to pass away or die before they join another formation. Now, when the founders chose this philosophy, it is to represent the pure essence of teamwork. One of the rare organizations in the world where we have healthy competition to see who's most successful, but also an essence of combined teamwork, all right, with a common vision to support, educate, train, inspire, motivate millions of people who have joined us on this journey, all right, towards financial freedom. Now, the V reaches people around the world. Firstly, we host one of the most amazing websites in the industry of network marketing with the address www.the-v.net. Now, this website, I call it your upline online. Simply put it that way. All right, because you are situated all around the world. Your uplines could be across the Atlantic Ocean and another different continent, or in Malaysia while you are in London, or in Africa while you are in Brazil. And basically, you need that daily support, that daily motivation, and this website, all right, the V.net provides it for you. It carries all the latest updates of what's happening all over the world, all right. It brings to you information from QNet, but one unique aspect of our website is something called VTube. Now, VTube is an online library, all right, of hundreds of training videos by the V partners, associate V partners, V Council members and leaders from all over the world. And these videos basically cover specific topics which you need depending on what stage of your journey. VTube has been one of our most successful projects ever launched. Basically, you can log on anywhere around the world and watch your favorite uplines talk to you right in your living room about what you need to do to become a successful networker. Now, our website gives you information about events we are having around the world, gives you latest updates on what sponsorship programs we're doing, where our top leaders are traveling, all right, and updates on what's happening around the world, all in one amazing website, www.the-v.net. I visit that website every day because it's my upline online and practically my lifeline for information. Now, another channel which has been truly effective is we have created a quarterly magazine called The Voyager. Now, The Voyager is print and it's also online on the website. Now, to me, network marketing is about show and tell. And with The Voyager, you basically have something to flip through when you're sitting with your prospect or the guy you're showing the opportunity to for the first time, all right, and also to an existing member of your team to give him a higher level of clarity of what we actually do worldwide. Now, from the Voyager, one other aspect is a division of the V called V Studios, which produce the video you're watching right now. Amazing team of people which produce a whole series of training videos, all right, catered for every need of a networker, whether it's basic, medium, or advanced. Now, these DVDs can be bought online because we have our own V store on our website where you can click, pay, deliver to your doorstep your very own DVD. Again, all right, don't duplicate these DVDs, buy original. It lasts a lifetime. Okay, now these DVDs again consist of trainings by great personalities, your uplines, V partners, AVPs, okay, from different parts of the world. Now finally, one of our proudest concepts of reaching people, ultimately network marketing is about one-on-one, is about seeing for yourself. Now the V today proudly is one of the most powerful, successful event organizers on the planet. We organize hundreds of events every year all over the planet, from 50 people to 10,000 people. We are professionals. And our events today rank as some of the most amazing, unbelievable events known in the industry of network marketing. I've had guests of mine from the US, from Europe, from Asia, from Africa who come and see it and they say, Patman, how do you all do this? I've never seen an event as great as this anywhere in the world. Our events range from one-day events, which are like a network seminar series. It ranges from a 3-day, 2-night event, like a regional V conference, which is an amazing platform because when we have you for 3 days, 2 nights, we basically change your life. I've done these events all over the world and the feedback from the people who attended, simply put, life-changing. And then we have today added new concepts. We have something called the V Leaders Certification Program, which is a 3-day event where we train you on basic knowledge about QNet, about the V, and certify you, all right, to be able to go out there and train others as a V Elite Leader. We have a Leadership Advancement Program, also known as LAP, which we do all over the world to give you more updated knowledge every few months on what's happening in the industry and what's happening in QNet. Now, the mother of all our events is what we have once a year called the V Convention, all right, which crosses over 10,000 people, which is held in one location for 5 days, 4 nights. This is the creme de la creme of our leadership from all over the world. All over the world. I mean, we have people from 60 countries, sometimes in one location. This event has been categorized as one of the most greatest events known to the industry of network marketing. People from other network marketing companies want to attend to see what we do, and that's something you cannot miss. So when you talk to your upline, all right, the person who referred you, ask them about when is the next event closest to you, closest to your city, or maybe in your town, because we reach practically every corner of the world, and make sure you attend it. Make sure you visit the website every day. Make sure you get your DVDs based on what part of the journey you are in. But most importantly, make sure you talk to your upline and make sure he gets you a seat, a ticket to come for the next V convention. It's going to blow your mind and open up your heart. Now, the V today proudly has basically reached every corner of the world. As an upline organization,